Welcome to my channel. Story English Plus. 10 Daily Habits for Fluent English. Start your morning in English. Begin your day by listening to an English podcast, a motivational video, or a song. Morning exposure trains your brain to wake up in English and sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing, thinking, or planning out loud or in your mind. For example, I'm making coffee. I need to send an email. This builds fluency and confidence naturally, without pressure. Read every day. Even one short paragraph in English can make a difference. Read something you actually enjoy, articles, blog posts, or short stories. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Keep a daily English journal. Write a few sentences every day about what happened, how you felt, or what you plan to do. It improves writing, grammar, and thinking in English at the same time. Learn 5 new words daily, in context. Don't just memorize lists. Instead, learn words through sentences or stories so you know how to use them in real life. Example, instead of run equals to move fast, learn she runs every morning to stay healthy. Watch English content you love. Movies, YouTube videos, or TV shows, but choose topics you actually enjoy. Turn on English subtitles and repeat phrases out loud. This helps with pronunciation, listening, and natural rhythm. Practice shadowing. Repeat what native speakers say immediately after them, matching their tone and speed. This powerful technique improves accent, rhythm, and confidence. Use English in real life. Text friends in English, comment on social media posts, or join English-speaking communities online. Real communication makes everything you learn stick. Think in English before sleeping. Before bed, replay your day in English. What did I do today? What was the best part of my day? This builds a habit of thinking directly in English instead of translating. Stay consistent, not perfect. Fluency comes from daily practice, not from studying hard for a few days. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can completely transform your English if you do it regularly. Bonus tips. Record yourself speaking and listen back. Celebrate small wins, like understanding a new phrase. Surround yourself with English, podcasts, labels, books, songs. Final message. English fluency is not about talent, it's about daily habits. If you build these 10 small habits, you'll start thinking, speaking, and living in English naturally. So grab your notebook, hit play, and let's start building your fluency, one habit at a time. Flexed biceps.